Writing a long and engaging script usually takes hours of research, planning, and typing. But what if you could create 5,000-word script in just a few seconds? Meet LUMI, your AI-powered writing tool that does exactly that. Want to see how it works? First, all you need is to type your topic. Let's take an example. How Industrial Revolution Changed the Way We Live. You will see these features in some other video. Now simply click Generate Script. And now, watch the magic happen. In just seconds, LUMI starts writing a full, structured long-form script, up to 25,000 words. It organizes the content into clear sections, writes smooth transitions, and keeps the tone engaging from start to finish. Here's the result, a complete script with an introduction, main points, and everything. You can stop the video and see the quality of the script. And if you want to customize it further, you can change the tone to casual, professional, or storytelling, customize the script style, include facts from credible sites with references, and a lot more with just one click. It will even create video description, highlights, keywords, thumbnail and thumbnail prompt that you can use to create thumbnails with your favorite image generator. Check this thumbnail quality. You also have the option to download your script as a PDF file. Join our WhatsApp group for know more about LUMI or contact us on email. No more hours spent staring at a blank page. With LUMI, a fully written, high-quality script is just one idea away. Start creating smarter, faster, and better with LUMI.